stiže.
This is my second time on this camp and it's really fun. You play a lot of games, you learn English through games.
After my regular school, I have summer holiday and I didn't have an opportunity to talk to anyone in English. The best option is to go on English camp EQUILIBRIO.
It's very interesting and fun. You can learn a lot even through games and talking.
Every time I've had a lot of fun, I've met new people.
I made a lot of friends there.
You can do a lot of fun activities here.
I met new teachers.
Yeah, we've been having fun each day.
All time you speak in English.
And the teachers are always great.
I learned so much English that I could go on Cambridge exams.
If you want to learn English, make some new friends and just have fun.
If you want to learn English, I recommend you to come here.
Equilibrio